The global player tracking market is expected to reach $12.76 billion in market value by 2026, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 25.8% during the period of 2019 to 2026, according to the Global Player Tracking Market Analysis. Based on solution, the wearable segment has lucrative market share during the forecast period of 2019 to 2026. Mordor Intelligence states that wearables help in injury prevention as well. For instance, in January 2019, Impression Healthcare Limited partnered with Force Impact Technologies Incorporated to distribute Force's clinically validated smart mouth guard, FitGuard, which helps in detecting athlete head impacts in sport. This global graph shows the scope of market share within the world. The United States has the highest growth rate in the world, with regions such as Asia, United Kingdom, and Australia possessing medium market growth. The access to player tracking has become a need for sports organizations. For instance, in February 2019, Stats Perform, the vendor in sports data and intelligence, and the Orlando Magic basketball team announced a deal that secures the Magic as the only NBA team with access to AutoStats, a new AI technology. The Magic will use tracking data produced by AutoStats to analyze collegiate players and enhance evaluation and decision for the NBA draft. This highlights a need for player tracking, as many sports organizations use them as a part of their scouting process. Major organizations such as the NFL, NHL, and NBA have integrated the use of player tracking for training and scouting purposes. The player tracking market is made up of these 5 vendors, which are the main players in the market, but is not limited to these. This highlights an opportunity for potential market share that can be occupied. The marketing strategy is mainly social media focused. The reason for this is due to the cheap cost for ads and promoted posts. Also, I chose this channel of marketing because it is easily accessible for the customer. Anyone can go on their phone on the company page and get information on the product. A larger audience can get reached through sponsored and shared posts. Social media is used because it has time, audience, relations, and cost advantages. Costs can be reduced through social media, as the distribution part necessary in mass media has been gotten rid of. Most social media outlets are accessed free of charge. Besides, the development of target groups and issue-by-issue advertising and promotion are available at lower costs. Hun 2010, as cited in Curtis and Callahan 2011. From the point of marketing research, there's an opportunity to help create a brand via a community of customers whose behavior and comments within the site can constitute value. The main target market is sports teams, pro athletes, and pro gamers. Being that these are my target audience, most of the sales will be directly to them or their organization. What adds value to this product is the prospect of improving your physical fitness, getting instant feedback on your sessions, and the ability to identify your shortcomings and areas to improve. With this product, customers will be able to constantly track their progress to be able to improve their physical fitness and technical abilities. Moreover, with the esports aspect, players will be able to focus on the best characters/weapons which make them a better player. Since there has been sports tracking and esports tracking respectively, there has never been a device that offers both. This device can be used for both esports and real sports. What this does is add value, being that there is basically 2 products in one. Rather than having to buy 2 different devices, customers can buy one. This also creates a niche market of multi-purpose tracking devices. Being that this product is unique in this way, the price market is essentially limitless. Furthermore, from the creative standpoint, there can also be different apparatus used to attach the device to the user's body, which also increases revenue due to the purchase of respectable equipment. Also, with the growth in wearables within the tracking market, this device is in the sector of the market with the most potential growth. What this does is allows for us to create our own strong customer base, being that there is so much market share and potential growth. In conclusion, this product can enhance the user's overall development, whether it is in real sports or esports. It can also help for sports organizations to scout effectively, as well as identify flaws in their tactics. Moreover, the device can allow coaches to provide in-depth training regimens for individual members of their team.